Rahul Gandhi is telling that we will take away the reservations. In spite of the clarification from our Honorable Prime Minister, in spite of the clarification from our Honorable Home Minister, and they are alleging that it is the agenda of the RSS, and in spite of the clarification from the RSS leader. Why? Because they want to emotionally split the people. Before, they were emotionally splitting the people on the basis of religion. Now they wanted to split the people on the basis of caste. Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, he has told that Honorable Vajpayee ji was against reservation. 2000, in the year of 2000, he released a data for scraping away the reservations. Vajpayee ji told, I am for reservation, particularly in the month of December 2001, during his address, commitment of the among the all sections of the people, in the topic commitment of the government to the social justice on 19th December 2001, he says, I doesn't see an end to reservation policy in near future, as its continuation is essential to bring all sections of the society together. Commitment of the government to the social justice. And repeatedly he has told, in another address he has mentioned, I want the reservation to continue, particularly this reservation helps the students from the marginalized section. As on date 2001 he is talking, not less than 10% of the SC girls are educated in 100 districts. Before, who ruled the country? Almost for a half a century, Congress ruled this country. And reservation, particularly, repeatedly, they are fixing a false narrative and building a false fort on that, saying that BJP will take away the reservations. In fact, the Mandal Commission, you know who brought it and who supported it, and Congress addressed 2 hours opposing reservation on caste basis. And they are crying for our ST brothers and sisters. Whenever Honorable Madam Draupadi Murmu was nominated as the President nominee candidate, if they were supporting the ST population, they should have supported her candidature. But in spite of knowing they will fail, they nominated an opponent candidate, and now they are telling they are for STs. And more number of SC MPs in BJP, more representatives, and in Mudra loan also, there is significant percentage of beneficiaries from the SC community, ST community, women, minorities. Repeatedly, they want to divide the people. Emotionally, they want to divide the people. And in spite of clarification, again and again, they are false propagating that BJP will take away the reservations. I strongly condemn their false propaganda.